Venice traffic, Cessna 102 Mike uniform departing runway 5 to the north, Venice traffic.
Your final's clear.
Venice traffic, Skyhawk 4 Romeo Alpha departing the area to the northeast, Venice traffic.
Alright.
Venice traffic 763, turning left, crosswind for 05, Venice.
Nice big runway, I feel like.
Yeah.
Get in the center of it first.
Yeah, you got traffic up there, you see them to the left, crosswind?
Yep.
Windy? Do you feel a little bit of it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Nope, someone was blocked. Inbound traffic to Venice transmission was blocked. Inbound traffic to Venice, the transmission was blocked.
Venice traffic on the 763, turning left down for 05, Venice.
Venice traffic 102 Mike uniform on the upwind, runway 5 will be departing the pattern to the north, Venice. 119, 65.
Venice traffic midfield, downwind, runway 5, 47 Juliet.
Alright.
Traffic 1 Fox, about turn base, runway 5, Venice.
Venice traffic, helicopter short final, runway 5, Venice.
Venice traffic 102 Mike uniform left, crosswind, runway 5 will be departing the pattern to the north, Venice traffic.
Venice traffic 1 Fox, now number 1 after the helicopter on final, runway 5, Venice.
Alright, we're good. Alright, I'm gonna switch if you want. Are you good?
We are right on the numbers.
You want to do the call to Tampa? Or you want...
I'll let you do the call.
Okay. Alright, let's do this direct here real quick. Direct to...
Restrict area is still closed, Turkey 553 Papa uniform. Turkey 35 uniform, want to say that again? Restrict area is still closed.
Oh Jesus, this guy.
Turkey 553 Papa uniform.
Turkey 35 uniform, I'm not sure, you can ask the center here in about 3 or 4 miles.
Alright, let me get us over there. Yeah, try to hug the coast. We'll go to the coastline down.
Okay.
And then we can take the coast all. Just watch that airspace before they allow us in. Tampa approach 102 Mike uniform.
November 102, my uniform, Tampa.
Good afternoon. 172 Skyhawk just departed out of Venice looking for flight following to Victor Delta Foxtrot.
Scout to my uniform, good afternoon, squad 0164 and ident.
Sorry. 0164 and a flash on the way, 102 Mike uniform.
Seneca 0 Bravo November after the Sky Bridge is going to proceed along the coastline.
Yeah, just keep outside of that. Yep. Yeah, just even if you have to go over the water, we'll keep out of it just until they...
Okay. Seneca 0 Bravo November, Tampa.
That'll ruin a breakfast.
Skyhawk 284 Romeo Alpha.
Have you done this coast flight at all?
Just down to St. Pete.
Bravo November, Tampa approach over.
It's a gorgeous flight. I mean, it's beautiful all the way down.
Yeah, after the Skyway, you're going just along the coastline, northwest on November 0 Bravo November.
Tampa 10 Bravo November, the idea is we're going to fly west along the coastline and then...
Feel the difference now?
Back over Tampa.
Oh, yeah.
1028 runway, back to Pipe City.
November 0 Bravo November, Roger.
That heat, man, it changes it all.
November 102, my uniform, radar contact 6 miles northwest of Venice, 1,800. You're cleared into the Tampa class Bravo, and then you're going to Tampa Executive. You can start your way to the northeast towards that airport.
All right, cleared to class Bravo. Are we cleared to Charlie over here as well?
Affirmative. To my uniform, let me know when you get the automated weather at Tampa Executive. The altimeter Tampa 3004.
All right, 3004. We're going to come up the coastline and request the east-west transition if possible.
November 2, my uniform is saying you want to go along the coastline and then over Tampa International route to Tampa Executive. That's what you said.
That's affirmative, 102 Mike uniform.
2 my uniform, Roger. Maintain VFR at 2,500.
All right, up to 2,500 VFR, 102 Mike uniform. All right, there we go.
Excellent.
It's all yours.
Tampa Coast Guard 1706, BFI.
So pretty much what's going to happen is
3425.
we'll come. Yeah, exactly what you're doing. We'll probably hug it a little bit more across the coast here, and then just bring it up and come across. And they'll tell you, you just fly, you fly the east-west runway, and you just overshoot the Tampa International Airport. It's kind of cool because there'll be some jets taking off underneath and all that.
We'd like to be across my phone after hills.
Man, this water is blue-green. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
Weather when you get it.
3004.
So clean.
Yeah.
I
I say it pretty much every time I fly, but I'm always amazed that here we are.
Yep. It's a privilege.
Yep. I think 2500 is their. Oh, hello.
Yeah.
It's not fun until your ass comes out of the seat. Look above us. Look at that shadow. Is that us, or is that looks like a bigger plane?
There is a bigger plane. Yep. It's by the strut. It's that Coast Guard plane again.
Yeah, where is it?
Right below. He's coming right below us.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, there it is.
See it? He is big.
020.
All right, 020, 102 Mike uniform. We got the Coast Guard plane inside as well. 102 Mike uniform. It's turning.
So he wants us to go 020?
020, yep.
At 5 times Quebec contact.
Wow, it's right there. Look at that thing coming.
Adjust my,
Oh, yeah. Is it coming off that end over there? Last thing I want to see is it coming off.
Oh, yeah, he's low.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
Turning left, you see him?
Yep, there it goes. 102 Mike uniform, we got Tampa in sight.
Mike uniform, proceed visually down the center line of Tampa's runway 10.
All right, well, right turn and head visually down 102 Mike uniform. All right, so you got it now? Do you know what you're doing? You're gonna turn right.
There's 2 runways, right?
Yeah, 10 is gonna be.
Yankee Tampa first.
I mean, there's only one east-west. Okay.
Yeah, the other one's a taxiway, big taxiway. So you're really just gonna line yourself up like you're landing there, you know? Just stay at 2,500. Yep. And you're just gonna cross.
01544. 40 Quebec Tampa departure, rather expected.
And then that's McDill right there, right? Yeah, that's McDill. Yep. And then Peter O'Knight. Oh. Yeah, but then so we should be right over there somewhere, I think.
Oh, wow.
Wow. I felt that one.
Yeah, that came up behind us.
Oof. I think that's the Hard Rock. Maybe not.
I think you might be right.
Right? Yeah, because there's the amphitheater, I think, over there, that little white caps there. I think. Does it show them on there? I don't think it does.
Trying to think where Tampa...
But see, Peter O'Knight's right over there, and we just kind of do a short hop.
Number 64 Hotel, contact approach 125.3. 125.3%.
Yeah, but you go out and go left, so that's got to be the Hard Rock over there.
I can't see Tampa exec yet.
No. That's why I always look for the Hard Rock.
It must be over... Yeah, I think it's over there, because I see a little bit of water.
Wow, that one's there. Yeah, man. I got the easy one, didn't I?
This one's putting me to work.
Yeah. This is definitely not on your side, it's definitely not a calm flight.
Maintain 2,000, traffic no factor.
Putting you to work on this one, bud.
This vertical speed is all over the place.
Frequency on 120.65.
Alright, so they're going to give us 1227, right? That's Tampa, isn't it? I mean, that's Pete. Right? Tampa exec traffic, Skyhawk 102 Mike uniform, 3 mile final, full stop, Tampa exec. Oh, there you go. There it is. That's your glide slope up. Looks like it's perfect, man.
Nice. I'm the king of last minute corrections, so.
Yeah, no, listen. Good thing.
And sometimes it just lies. Not high. Lying.
It's lying.
Far out, man. How low do you want me to go?
Right? Yeah, either that or when I'm really close, it's too low, you know? And I'm like, yeah, no, we're good. The chop it and drop it. Right, chop it and drop it. Like, okay. Good. There we go. Oh, I guess I should call. Tampa exec traffic 102, Mike uniform, short final run. Full stop, Tampa exec. Whew. Oh boy, there it is.
I didn't do it.
Hey, you're perfect on your speed. Look, you brought it back in, see? I was lying to you.
Flight attendants prepare for landing.
Flight attendants today, but is that me? Am I the flight attendant?
Exact 2.80337, 10 miles out to the northeast, that's 1,300, inbound for landing, sounds exact.
Nice. Nice. Done.
Thanks.
Oh, and you get it a little before the first taxiway? What? Your key, eat your heart out, right? Your final's clear.
Venice traffic, Sky Hawk 4 Romeo for departing the area to the northeast. Venice traffic.
Alright.
Venice traffic 763, turning left, crosswind for 05, Venice.
Nice big runway. I feel like
Yeah.
to get in the center of it first.
Hey, you got traffic up there, you see them to the left? Crosswind?
Yep.
Runway 5, Venice.
Venice traffic 102, Mike uniform, left, crosswind, runway 5 will be departing the pattern to the north, Venice traffic.
Venice traffic 1 Fox, now number 1 after the helicopter on final, runway 5, Venice.
Alright, we're good. Alright, I'm gonna switch if you want. Are you good?
We are right on the numbers.
You want to do the call to Tampa? Or you want
I'll let you do the call.
Okay.
5,
Alright, let's do this direct here real quick. Direct to...
restrict area is still cool. Turkey 553 Papa uniform. Turkey 35 uniform, we had to say that again.
Venice traffic, Cessna 102, Mike uniform, departing runway 5 to the north. Venice traffic.
Restrict area is still cool.
Oh, Jesus, this guy.
Turkey 553 Papa uniform. 03 Papa uniform, I'm not sure, you can ask the center here in about 3 or 4 miles.
Alright, let me get us over there. Yeah, try to hug the coast. We'll go to the coastline now.
Okay.
And then we can take the coast all. Just watch that airspace before they allow us in. Tampa approach 102, Mike uniform.
November 102, my uniform, Tampa.
Good afternoon. 172 Skyhawk just departed out of Venice, looking for flight following to Victor Delta Foxtrot.
Scout to my uniform, good afternoon, squad 0164 and ident.
Sorry. Windy? Do you feel a little bit of it?
Yeah, a
Yeah, a little bit.
Venice.
Nope, someone was blocked. Inbound traffic to Venice, transmission was blocked. Inbound traffic to Venice, the transmission was blocked.
Venice traffic on the 763, turning left down for 05 Venice.
Venice traffic 102, Mike uniform on the upwind, runway 5 will be departing the pattern to the north, Venice. 119, 65.
Venice traffic, midfield, downwind, runway 5, 47 Juliet.
Alright.
Traffic 1 Fox, button turn base, runway 5, Venice.
Venice traffic, helicopter short final.